In English, there are three main articles, a, an, and the. We use these articles before other words to indicate whether we talk about a specific thing or a thing in general. For example, if we want to use the word cat in a sentence, we could say, I have a cat. As you can see, we have used the article a before the word cat. When should we use a, an, and the? There are two categories of articles: the definite articles and the indefinite articles. The article the is a definite article. These articles are used before words when we talk about a specific thing or things. For example, if you have a car in front of you, you can say, it is the car. We used the because it is one specific car. Then we have a, and, an, which are the indefinite articles. We use these articles to talk about something in general. For example, if you need to buy a car, you can say, I need to buy a car. In this case, we don't talk about a specific car. We talk about any car. We don't know how it looks or what color it has. We only know that it is a car. Because of that, we use a before the word car. There is a small tip about when to use a, an, and the. If you haven't talked about something before, you would usually use a, or an. If you talked about that thing before, you would usually use the, because you already know which specific thing you are talking about. So for example, I could say, I have a dog. His name is Kevin. The dog is amazing. As you can see, in the first sentence, we used a before the first word dog because we just want to say that we have a dog. We didn't say anything specific about the dog, so we used a. In the third sentence, we already know that we talk about a specific dog named Kevin. Because of that, we would use the before the word dog. When should we use articles? We use a, or, an, only when the following word is in a singular form. For example, we can say, an apple. We can use the both in the singular and the plural form. So we can say the apple or the apples. Again, we would use that if we talk about a specific thing or things. If you haven't seen the video on singular and plural forms, you can click on the link in the description below. When do we use a, and when an? We use a or an based on how the following word sounds. If the following word starts with a sound that sounds like a vowel, we use an. Vowels are the letters a, e, I, o, u, and y. So for example, we would say, an apple or an orange, because the first letters sound like vowels. On the other hand, if the word starts with a sound that sounds like a consonant, we would use a. Consonants are all letters that are not vowels, such as b, c, or d. So for example, we would say, a banana or a watermelon, because the first letters sound like consonants. It's important to remember that we use a, and, an, based on how the word sounds. Not based on how you write the word. Let's take the word hour. The first letter is h, which is a consonant, but when we pronounce the word hour, the first letter sounds like a vowel. Therefore, we would say an hour. Again, it is because of how the word sounds and not because of how it is written. That is all you need to know about definite and indefinite articles. If you liked this video, click on the thumbs up button, it really helps us create videos like this one. Also, don't forget to check out other videos from this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.